This question belongs to GATE CSE 2013 and Computer Organization subject. So the question states, in a k-way set associative cache, the cache is divided into V sets. So let us suppose this is our cache. So cache is basically divided into V sets. So if this is set 0, let's assume this is set 1, this is set 2, then this is set V. Each of which contains of k lines. So it will have, each set will have k lines. Let us assume that this is line 0, this is line 1 up to line k minus 1. 0, 1 up to k minus 1 it will have. And next set will have line k and so on. It will have till k plus k minus 1, which is 2k minus 1. It will go on like this. Now it is saying the lines are placed in a sequence one after the another. The lines in set S are sequenced before the lines in set S plus 1. Which means if this is set 1, then next will be set 2. The main memory blocks are numbered 0 onwards. So main memory is divided into blocks which is starting from 0. Let us assume this set is also starting from 0 to maintain synchronization. This is set 0, set 1 and so on up to set V minus 1. The main memory block numbered J must be mapped to any one of the cache lines from. So we have block numbered J. Now it is asking to which cache line it will get mapped to. Now the question gives a sequencing for the cache lines. For the set 0, the cache lines are sequenced from 0 to k minus 1. And for the set 1, they are sequenced from k to 2k minus 1 and so on. So main memory block J would be mapped to set J mod V. J mod V. Why it would be mapped to J mod V? It will be mapped to J mod V because each set we have total V sets and it can be mapped to any one of these. Thus it will be mapped to J mod V, which will be one of the cache lines. So it will be one of the cache lines over here. Now in this set it will start from each of is of size k. So J mod V set will start from k, as it will have, let us suppose this is set 5. Then it will have 5 into k blocks already present over there, S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, which is 5 into each of size k. So multiplied by k, these many sets. And what will be the final line size? It will be J mod V into k plus k minus 1. This will be the final one. So answer to this question is, like, the parenthesis would come over here because into k will take us to the, into k will ensure that all the previous lines are done. Now k minus 1, k is size of this. So if we start from 1 and after k it will be k minus 1. So plus k minus 1. So answer to this question is option A. J mod V into k to J mod V into k plus k minus 1.